In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find your credit card number using the Chase mobile app. Let's get started. First, launch your Chase app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to your credit card section and select the card you want to check, like a Chase Sapphire or any other Chase credit card. After opening the card details page, you'll see your balance and recent activity. But to find the card number, tap on the See Statements option. Now open one of your recent statements, and once the PDF statement loads, scroll to the document where your card information appears. You'll usually see part of the credit card number displayed there along with the last four digits, which can help you identify the card. However, keep in mind that for security reasons, the full card number, CVV security code, and expiration date are usually not fully visible inside the app, and some details may only be available on the physical card itself. So, if you need the complete information for online purchases or verification, you may still need access to your actual credit card. That's how you can quickly check your Chase credit card details using the mobile app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.